let me tell you how to create a query in Design View. Access provides two ways to create a query using the given options present in the other group on the Create tab. They are Query Wizard, Query Design. The Design View gives you more control over a query. It allows you to create a query from the scratch. Follow the steps to create a query using Query Design option. Open the database and click on the Create tab. Select the Query Design button in the Queries group. The datasheet view changes to the Query Design view and the Show Table dialog box appears at the bottom of the screen. Select the record source of your query. A record source can be one or more tables, one or more queries, or a combination of the two. Select the table and click on Add button or double-click on the table's name. Here we have selected the table Students. After selecting the table, click on the Close button. The main query window is divided into two panes, top and bottom. The top pane is the object relationship pane that displays the table selected for the query. In case of multiple tables, the field lists are joined by a line. These join lines link key fields that share the same field name. The join lines indicate table relationships that relate the data in one table to the data in another. The selected query table displayed a list of fields which you can add to the query. The bottom pane displays the design grid. You can add fields to the query by dragging them from the field list to the design grid or by double-click on the field. The design grid is similar to a spreadsheet with columns representing each field in the query. Let us know more. A cross-tab query uses row headings and column headings so that you can see your data in terms of two categories at once. Alright, if you want to know more about queries in MS Access, visit http://office.microsoft.com/in-us/access-help/examples of query criteria -HA01006611.aspx. Let us know more. The SQL view is used when a user wants to enter SQL statements to create or change query. Let us understand the design grid. Field row of a design grid displays the selected fields from the table. Table row displays the name of the existing table. Show row displays a check mark. The fields with check marks display the information when the query is being run. To hide the field during runtime, uncheck the check mark by clicking on it. Sort property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order. It is optional. Criteria property contains the condition. This is used to filter the records for the query output. Or property can be used to set multiple criteria in a query. After adding the table to the object relationship pane, drag the fields from the Students table window which you want to display in the query design grid. Specify the criteria and click on the Run command in the Results group on the Design tab. Access retrieves the relevant data from the table and displays the output in Datasheet view. Now save the query using Save button located on Quick Access toolbar. Save as dialog box appears. Enter the suitable name for your query in Query Name text box. Click OK button. Alright, let us know more. A parameter query is a type of select query that prompts you for input before it runs. The query then uses your input as criteria that control your results. For example, you can design it to prompt for 2 dates. Access will then retrieve all data with values between those 2 dates. Let us understand how to specify simple criteria. Queries are built by defining a specific search condition, that is, a criteria. Criteria is specified in the criteria row of the design grid. Specify the criteria value and the data will be filtered accordingly in the query output. Let's understand it with the help of given example. Select the query in the navigation pane that you want to modify. Now click on the View button on the Home tab. Select the Design View option from the drop-down menu. Selected query opens in Design View. To view the records of class 12, double-click on the address field and class field in the field list. Move the cursor to the criteria row and type the criteria equal to 12 in class field column. Click on Sort Property in the address column and set it in an ascending order. Click on Close button of Query window to save the query. A dialog box will appear asking you to save the query. Click on the Yes button. Specify a name to the query and click on the OK button. Double-click on the query name in the navigation pane to view the query output. Can you quickly reply, what do you understand by criteria? Alright, let me tell you about creating a query in Query Wizard. To create a query in Query Wizard, click on the Create tab. Select the Query Design button in the Queries group. The New Query dialog box appears. The Simple Query Wizard option is selected by default. Click OK. The Simple Query Wizard screen appears. Select the table that contains the data in the Tables or Queries box. Now add the fields that you wish to have in the query result. To add a field, select the required field in the Available Field box. Click on single forward arrow button or just double-click on the field. You will notice that the selected field is shifted to Selected Fields box. In case you want to add all fields, then click on double forward arrow button. It will shift all fields at once. You can remove the selected fields from the Selected Field box. To remove them one by one, click on single backward arrow button, or to remove all at once, click on double backward arrow button. Once you have selected the required fields, then click on Next button. A new screen appears. Simply click on the Next button. In the next step, you are asked to enter a new title for your query. Make sure that Open the Query to View Information Radio button is selected by default. Now click on the Finish button. You will observe that the query name is visible in the navigation pane. Let us know more. An action query is a query that makes changes to or moves many records in just one operation. There are 4 types of action queries: append, update, make table, and delete. You should back up your data before running an action query, since it changes the data. Let us know more. A criteria is similar to formula. It is a string that may consist of field references, operators, and constants. Query criteria entry is also referred to as expression.